Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Interesting Events by Sai Babu Sankara. This will be useful for young lawyers. So there is a joke, I have seen it from the social media. Of course, before forgetting the same, I wanted to inform you or I wanted to share it to you in a jocular way. So please don't underestimate the power of a lawyer. Here, the point is the bride, she wanted to marry or she wanted to get herself engaged with an advocate or with a lawyer. Then the other person, the grandfather, asked her, "Why are you interested in marrying a lawyer?" For this, she gave a stunning reply. Number one, "Grandpa, these advocates, they bow their head while entering the court premises or going out of the court premises. Always they are very, very submissive. So before entering the house or going out of the house, definitely they will be very submissive in the court. So that's why I like that tendency of bowing down their head." Number two, they say, "My Lord," they say, "Your Honor." So before each and every word, just like our MLA say, "Adhyaksha, Adhyaksha," like that, "Your Honor" or "My Lord," these are the common words or common parlance. Even though they are not necessary, they will emphatically saying these words. "Your Honor, my client is totally innocent. Your Honor," is so. Like that, they will be pleading always. They will be addressing as "Your Honor, Your Honor." So that means they have got the habit of addressing even for each and every word. Number three, they don't have male ego. Normally, advocates, both are male and females. Female advocates are also there. Even males also, they do not have the so-called problem of ego. Just like Brahmakumaris. Brahmakumaris are males and females also. They treat them equally. Here also, the advocates are treated equally. They do not have female ego. Why? This you have to learn. Why means because they wear a gown. So after the robes, you may be knowing, definitely they will be wearing a gown. Is it not? Right? Next point, fourth point. They go to the bar. So normally we may be afraid that people go to the bar. For what? For taking drinks. But here they go to a bar where liquor is not served. So it's an advantage for me. Is it not? And the last point. They never question the judgment, or at least before or after the judgment, before the person who gives it, they never question the judgment. "Okay, Your Honor, we'll go for appeal." So they will be very, very submissive. Whether they like the judgment or not, they will be very, very submissive. Therefore, I like to marry an advocate or a lawyer. So please remember, this is only a jocular way. But I don't think all lawyers will be like that. Definitely, you have to frown upon the other candidate. You have to cross-examine him. You have to use how to assess. Please remember. So since the time has come, I want to tell you that yesterday, Honorable Uday Umesh Lalit, Justice Uday Umesh, he is taking charge as Chief Justice of India. He is the 49th Chief Justice of India. Please remember, he said, "Only argue on the facts, argue on the law, but don't feel emotional. Don't don't get emotional. We don't like it. After all, we are all professionals. You know what is a professional's duty? You must be stoic. You must show the stoic personality, whether you win or lose." Here, yes, same thing. Last point. So they never question the judgment, at least before the person who gives it, whether they like it or not. Likewise, so you must be so affirmative that you must go. So he is your client. He is not your relative. If he is a relative, you cannot take up the case as per the Bar Council of India rules. So you must act professionally. You must inform the court about the matters of law. Sometimes about the matters of fact also. You may have to argue on the basis of the facts also, but not on the emotions. So this you have to keep in mind, because every judge will have his own priorities. Of course, this CCA may be there for about 2.5 months or 3 months, but till such time you have to maintain the advices given by the Honorable Chief Justice of India. So therefore, please don't play on emotions. Just know we have played on the emotions. Anyway, this is a good joke. So actually, we have got a tendency to forget the same. Before forgetting the same, let us put it in the shape of video so that you may laugh whenever you feel free. Thank you.